Today, we're going to talk about a budget smartphone that offers amazing features in its price range. Lava Yuva 4, a smartphone that will impress you from every angle. Its sleek design, stunning display, and powerful battery are the perfect combination. And the best part, it's a budget-friendly phone that's perfect for the markets of Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. So friends, if you also want an affordable and feature-packed phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started with this detailed review. The design of this phone is sleek and modern, which everyone will like. Thickness, only 8.5 millimeters, giving it a slim and lightweight feel. Weight, 200 grams, making it comfortable to hold and durable as well. Colors, it's available in 3 glossy color options: glossy white, glossy purple, and glossy black. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor ensures top-notch security and easy access. When it comes to display, Lava Yuva 4 leads its price segment. Size, a 6.56-inch IPS LCD display provides vibrant colors and clear visuals. Refresh rate, with a 90 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. The battery is the backbone of a phone, and Lava Yuva 4 does not disappoint here. A powerful 5,000 mAh Li-ion battery easily provides a full day of backup. Charging, 10 watts wired charging offers a decent charging speed for your phone. For performance, Lava Yuva 4 is equipped with powerful hardware. OS, it comes with the latest Android 14, supporting new features and updates. Chipset, Unisoc T606 12nm, which is efficient and stable for budget phones. GPU, Mali G57 MP1, which is enough for light gaming and day-to-day tasks. For photography lovers, Lava Yuva 4's camera setup is impressive. A 50-megapixel wide-angle lens captures sharp and detailed photos. A VGA auxiliary lens provides additional depth effects. Video recording, 1080p at 30 FPS, delivering decent quality videos. Selfie camera, the 8-megapixel single camera captures social media friendly selfies. 3.5mm jack, yes, available for wired headphone lovers. Connectivity options, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. Lava Yuva 4 comes in 2 variants: 64GB storage with 4GB RAM. Expected price PKR 22,900, 6,999, 128GB storage with 4GB RAM. Expected price 24,600, 7,499, 10,500. Its dedicated micro SDXC card slot ensures you can easily expand your storage. So friends, this was the detailed review of Lava Yuva 4. This phone is a perfect choice for those who want a budget-friendly device without compromising on features. How did you find this phone? Do share your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video,